Hello, my name is Karen and I want to tell you something astounding. The United States, for the first time ever, has decided to go before the Human Rights Council. And the Human Rights Council gave the United States 228 different recommendations that they will believe will make the United States laws more human rights friendly. The United States will go before the Human Rights Council to speak of what they think of the recommendations. I will be going around and interviewing various people and see what recommendations they believe the United States should take.
Aloha, my name is Van Defset. I would like the United States to use the recommendation 14 that states ratify and ensure implementation into domestic law of the Committee on the Elimination of Discrimination Against Women and also the Convention on the Rights of a
Hi,
Child.
my name is Ms. Chalet. I would like the United States to implement Recommendation 13, which states proceed with ratifying the Convention of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities and the Convention on the Rights of the
Hi,
Child.
my name is Erin, and I would like the United States to implement Recommendation 15, which states to ratify the Convention on the Rights of the Child and the International Convention on the Protection of the Rights of All Migrant Workers and the members of their families.
Hi, my name is Candace Bollinger, and I want the United States to implement Recommendation number 21. Consider ratifying the Convention to eliminate discrimination against women, the Convention on the Rights of the Child, and the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities.
Okay, my name is Pona. I want the United States to implement the recommendation number 2, which states continue the process to ratify elimination of discrimination against women and adhere to the other human rights fundamental instruments such as the Statute of the Rome of the International Criminal Court, the Convention on the Rights of the Child, the optional protocol to the Convention against Torture, and the International Convention for the Protection of All Persons against Enforced Disappearance.
Hi, my name is Kenai, and I want the United States to use a recommendation 45, which states withdraw reservations, denunciations, and interpretations of the Covenant of Civil and Political Rights, the International Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination, and the Convention Against Torture, and undermine their compliance, and accept their individual procedures.
My name is Dane, and I want the United States to use Recommendation 143 and the use of military technology and weaponry that have proven to indiscriminate and cause excessive and disproportionate damage to civilian life.
Hi, my name is Jen, and I would like the U.S. to use Recommendation 58 to make fully consistent all domestic anti-terrorism legislation and action with human rights standards.
Hi, I'm Laverne. I want the U.S. aid on Article 74 that a human rights institution at the federal level be considered in order to ensure implementation of human rights in all states.
My name is Letitia, and I recommend that the United States use Recommendation 103, ensure the prosecution and punishment according to the law of those responsible of racial hate and xenophobic criminal acts, as well as guarantee a fair compensation to the victims, such as the case of the Ecuadorian Marcelo Lucero and Jose Sucazane murdered in the United States.
My name is Bunny Lee, and I would like the United States to implement Recommendation 81, which states, take the necessary measures in favor of the right to work and fair conditions of work so that workers belonging to minorities, in particular women and undocumented migrant workers, do not become victims of discriminatory treatment and abuse in the workplace, and enjoy the full protection of the labor legislation regardless of their migratory status.
Hi, my
Thank
name
you.
is Trisha, and I would like the United States to use Recommendation 199, which states, and the violation of rights of indigenous people.